Hey, how you doing? Chris Clark here, and I promise I'm not going to take too much of your time, but I had to show you this because this is working. And it's Craigslist is cranking out highly targeted leads all day, every day. I don't know if you're using solo ads, but this is just an additional traffic flow that is so inexpensive, because I'm going to show you over 100 leads this week with only a $15 ad spend, with only 3 ads, 3 cities, and 3 email accounts. Follow me here. Let me show you. Let's go right into here. Now, I'm a straight shooter here. I just want to show you the official time. I'm even going to refresh the browser. That way you can see it is Wednesday, November 7th, 11:50 in the morning. And I'm going to take you right into my email account. Here's one email account here. These are all from Craigslist. Here, there's about 23 in there. Okay, this is another email account here. There's about 44 of them there, 43, 44, yeah, and that's over 2 pages, you can see. And then third email account here, there's about 40 in there. Now, here's what I want to show you. I'm going to take you back to, excuse me, the first email account. Let's look at the date. You see, that's when it started. That's when I started the email account. November 2nd. I apologize for my voice, but I was yelling at my son's football game. He scored a touchdown. It was beautiful. So anyways, you can see it's the 2nd, 3rd, 4th, and this is today. Okay, so this is from the 2nd. Today's the 7th. So let's look at what they're saying. Okay, here. Copy here. Okay, this is a copy of their resume. Interested in your ad on Craigslist. My name is, and you can reach me, and they have their phone number. Okay, and so they're reaching out, giving you their information, expressing their interest. That's highly targeted. Let's go to the other email account. All right, let's look at the date here. Again, this one started on the 3rd. Okay, let's just click on this link. Interested in this position. Go here. I'm interested in more details. Please feel free to contact me via email or phone. Phone number right there. Name here. I mean, these are highly targeted. Let's look at this one. Let's just scroll down here. So this one started on the 6th. So this has only been a couple of days. Oh, there we go. That's the one I want to see. Okay, here. There you go. I saw your ad on Craigslist. I'm very interested in getting more information about the opportunity. I can start ASAP, and I'm very motivated and a self-starter. Name, phone number. Now you tell me if that is not a targeted lead. So, okay, I am giving this all away. I'm going to show you exactly what I'm doing. I'm going to show you exactly how to set up everything you need to do in my Facebook group. All you have to do is click the link right below this video. Just click it. It's going to take you right to the Facebook group. It's free to join the group. There's no restrictions. Free to join, and then enjoy the video. Okay, so this is to help people out. I know I'm in FunnelX ROI, and this is really coming into play. But this is something that can carry over into whatever you're doing. So go ahead, click the link. I'll see you in the group.